struggle with getting the best out of FLEXCUBE core banking system? Is your bank not able to roll out new products in short time to market? Are you stuck with managing long-drawn core banking system-related change requests, starting from budgetary approval, to issuing RFP to shortlisting vendor, to negotiations, to issuing purchase order? Is your bank not able to realize maximum return on investment from investment in FLEXCUBE core banking system? Does your bank IT team fail to assure maximum uptime for FLEXCUBE core banking system? If your answer is affirmative, this short video will show you how we can help you resolve the business challenge related to managing your core banking system and turn your problem into opportunity. You will also see how you can get to launch products in short turnaround time and generate higher return on investment made in core banking system. Core banking system is the backbone of all banking operations, and at the same time, it is one of the biggest IT investments for any bank. To procure the right solution to address their core banking requirements, banks ensure that they have a robust procurement process matched by huge capital expenditure allocated for procurement of this business-critical system. Typical core banking system's life cycle is 5 to 7 years. Of this, anywhere from 6 to 12 months goes into vendor selection, and on average, additionally 12 to 36 months is required for implementation. After this, the rundown period for this investment lasts for typically 5 years in banks' books. For these 5 years, banks cannot even think about buying any other system. During this entire duration, the information technology vendor becomes indispensable for the banks, and taking advantage of this situation, vendors try to maximize their profits. On the other hand, even after spending significant time and money, most of the banks fail to get desired results from this investment for various reasons. Some of the reasons are banks' inability to define the scope of work comprehensively. As a result, only 40 to 50% of the features are implemented, while 50 to 60% of the features are left out of scope. Later, when the bank realizes need for those missed out features, they have to go through a long cycle of approvals, budgetary clearances, and possible RFP process to accomplish the same. Other reasons include change requests, bug fixing, and issue resolution. To fulfill these requirements, banks have to issue fresh RFP, select vendor, and allocate cost. Also, since the cost of addressing these issues is not clear up front, banks have no idea how much costs to budget. Apart from bringing in unpredictability, this also negatively impacts the ROI and shoots up the total cost of ownership for core banking system. Most importantly, this further delays bank planned launches and result in the bank losing their competitive advantage to competitors. To address this, banks need a solution which makes the banks realize maximum return on investment from core banking system and provides them with a competitive edge while negating all the issues related to delays, unpredictability, long-drawn approval processes. As leading technology solution provider, working with over 100 banks, JMR Infotech has introduced FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services, which helps banks maximize their investment in FLEXCUBE's suite of products, while they focus on their core expertise. Our team of experts who bring in unmatched banking and financial services domain pedigree from FLEXCUBE Managed Services will help banks become more productive, agile, and competitive. With this extended arm model, where our team works as an extension of your IT team, banks will benefit tremendously. You gain the benefits from our proven technology leadership and credentials in banking and financial services to help you run and grow your business. Implement best practices honed over the last decade by working with 100+ banks, repository of knowledge base to predict and address issues proactively. JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services assure effective engagement management and provides measurement and analysis. It also guarantees effective knowledge management, best practice sharing, compliance to agreed SLA. With JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services, you can respond to the needs of the market in near real time while we take care of your requirements related to upskilling, both technical and functional, regulatory reporting, third-party integration, support, new product launch, testing, quarterly training, including train the trainer and end users training, proactive issue management. The JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services covers all the solutions that you may require to make your core banking system work in the most effective manner and be up and running all the time. All this is offered to you at a fixed cost. To give you a better understanding of this solution, let us show you how it works. First step is to firm up on bank's requirements. Second step is to devise a team, mixed of on-site and off-site, which can take care of running the business and growing the business. This covers both support and development requirements, including all related activities like integrating, testing, training. On-site team proactively reaches outline of business and other stakeholders to conduct quarterly workshops. This is used to define requirements-focused areas. On-site team communicates these requirements to off-site team, and off-site team takes care of development testing and integration. On-site team takes care of implementation and training. This model gives our customers an optimal mix of solution and high-quality services at very reasonable cost. To summarize, JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services brings to you highly competent, committed, and experienced technical and functional resources at highly competitive cost. It enables you to lower operational cost and improve productivity by taking advantage of the economies of scale, along with flexible operating models which are tailored to operating hours, commercial, and specific customization. Here are the key benefits for the bank: flexible and scalable solution to grow with your business, enhance efficiencies for higher profitability, resilient and compliant bank, proactive issue detection, coupled with deep technology domain expertise, ensures maximum uptime for bank's core banking system, allows banks to develop sharp focus on core competencies, ensure immediate problem resolution, predictive and fixed cost. This is one solution which not only addresses all of your requirements from core banking solution, including change requests proactively, but also does that in a timely manner and with a fixed cost, so that your agility in responding to market dynamics doesn't suffer. There are very few solutions which can match flexibility and dexterity of JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services. Please write to info@jmrinfotech.com to know more about this insightful offering. Additionally, you can also schedule a live solution demonstration to have a better understanding of JMR FLEXCUBE Core Banking Managed Services. Thank you.